and welcome to Prama. This is a short introduction into the wider work that Prama does to give you an idea of our breadth and the dimensions in which we work. You see, we have a vision of a world where no one is unfairly disadvantaged or excluded due to age or infirmity, and where everybody can enjoy life as they age. In order to achieve that, we created a few years ago a group structure. Overarching and leading it all is the Prama Foundation. That exists to provide governance and leadership. It exists to provide the support mechanisms that each department needs, whether it's HR or finance, whether it's fundraising, whether it's advocacy and representation. Prama Foundation campaigns for the human rights of older people, and we're accredited members of the United Nations as a charity that we make representation to. You see, so often older people are forgotten by society. They're separated, they're regarded as them rather than us. And so we are involved in campaigning for equality and recognition that just because someone is old does not mean that their life is therefore less valuable. We work with politicians at Westminster. We're involved with research with universities. And we also fundraise to develop and enable the charities to continue to thrive. Prama Care is our domiciliary care service. Established in 1982, we work delivering over 125,000 hours of care to people who are vulnerable and isolated. Many of them older people, but also many who have acquired brain injury, many people who have living with a disability. And our aim is to support them so they can live with dignity as we all age together. And then we have Prama Life. Prama Life is a recently formed charity that's working to deliver over 40,000 sessions of advice, support, counselling and fun to older people, particularly as we all age. A lot of our work is involved with people who are living with dementias and the people who support them. So it's very far-ranging, far-reaching. And so in order to support that, we have Prama Trade. And Prama Trade looks after our charity shops and our fundraising activities so that we have a constant stream of income to support the work that we do. So where possible, we're not dependent on external funding. We can self-fund the work that we do. And that way we can have control over it, and that way we can have the most impact to achieve our overall vision.